So, Speed did it again. Yeah. Wait right there. I'm sure he's full, little fat bastard. Because he got another fucking dove and tore it to shits in here. I don't know if two of them, one of them, I can't tell. It's a leg over here, some wings, upper body over here, a foot down there. I'm gonna remove it. This fucking guy. It's the second dove he's gotten like this. Oh, yep. So this is what ended up coming out. That foot right there. It's like a foot. Two wing sections of wings, and I don't know what the hell's other pieces. I got like a back end of the tail, that leg, this foot, and the two wings, the meat. That's all he left. So you can pull them out. Right there. This fucking bastard. Look how fat he is now. Speed, you're such a fatty. Look at you. Oh, you're fed up a bunch too. Okay, don't scratch me. Calm down. Give him little chins. Oh. Look at the feathers everywhere. Well. That sucks. I mean, not really, I guess. Fucking free food. This is also a good video because I'm gonna go ahead and post it to show the people that were saying, "Oh, why you live feeding them a gecko? It's cruel, whatever." Well, look just how cruel this is. The life of the way they live in the wild. Animals don't eat, fish pellets and shit. In the wild, they eat other animals. They tear them up to shreds. So there's that. Yeah, he's doing good. Gonna make up on the other side. Feathers everywhere. Well, that's it for now. Hopefully these split up soon. Oh, another chunk of meat.